Hey friends, it's Tiffany here, and today I'm going to share with you guys 2 serums that I've been using daily, like literally daily, one in the morning and one at night. So especially after I do my treatment serums in focusing on my hyperpigmentation and brightness and just kind of like helping with all that. So I'm going to share with you guys, I love Ally of Skins. I've been raving about them since I've learned about them and tried them, and I know a little bit pricey, but they do have their sales, so always check it out. And I'm going to share with you guys what I use and why. First, I'm going to share with you guys the Multi-Peptides Growth Factor Advanced Lifting Serum. I'm 42, going on 43 by fall, and we need some help because as you age, your face changes, your skin changes. It's like crazy. Sometimes you don't realize it, and then you're like, whoa, what happened? For me, it's all about preventative care. For me, it's not about trying to look perfect. I just am going to take care of my skin health, face, body, internally, all my organs, because your skin is going to show you what is lacking, what is going on, whether you're stressed, whether, you're not eating well, just so many things. It just shows. And I love this Multi-Peptides Growth Factor Advanced Lifting. It sells out all the time. And I think I don't have much in here, but I'm going to show you guys. I love using this every morning because I love to just have my skin feeling lifted, plumped, has the nutrients in there to help throughout the day. And you could use this at night. Like I literally don't have any left. I'm going to have to just take it out of the bottle. Yes. So I'm just going to pour. Now there's some right there. Okay. All right. I took it out and I'm just going to massage this into my skin. And I love it because the peptides will help your skin really just like, I love that it has peptides, and we have heard all about peptides and the benefits of having peptides and growth factors. So if you haven't heard of peptides or growth factors, I mean, they're so important because they are messengers. Well, growth factors are messengers to your cells to help like with collagen, help your cells to be like the best version of themselves basically. And so why not? Why not have this for your largest organ? And this is so good, especially on my neck because our neck is the thinnest. Like it's so thin there. Your eyelids. Like my skin feels so good. And if you guys have seen Allies of Skin and their reviews, like everyone that uses this swears by it. It's been life-changing for their skin. And the founder is just amazing. He created skincare to heal his own skin. And it's just amazing of his story. So this is a must-have. This is a daily use that I infuse into my skin, and it really does help. And I just feel actually younger in the sense of my skin's health feels so much better than before. When I look at some photos, I mean, I'm very grateful because I've always taken care of my skin, and I do have good genes from my mom. If you guys have seen her, she's 72, she'll be 73. She looks so good. And she has been my role model on taking care of myself, and very, very blessed and grateful for that. So whenever I do treatments, I love to use the copper tripeptide and ectoin advanced repair serum. So that has ectoin, copper lysine complex, has axetyl, hexapeptide A complex, and 1% copper tripeptide complex. Has a lot of amazing peptides. And so I love using this because when I do a peel, or if I do kind of like an exosome shot right here, I love to use this because I think when I use this, it's going to help this out to repair my skin throughout the night. So I love using, like when I do a chemical peel and then literally put this on, and it just like heals my skin. My skin feels so much better and not irritated. So this is amazing. And then also ectoin is really great, especially if you're going through perimenopause, menopause. That is very helpful as our skin ages. Ectoin has been that ingredient that's been talked about to really help with how your skin is shifting and changing. So this is really cool. I'm not going to put this on because I have the other serum on, but this is so good. And as you guys can see, I took off the pump because I was running out, but my skin is so healthy and happy. So if you guys have been curious about Allies of Skin, never heard about it, want to know more, I'll link them in my description. Check them out. The founder, Nicholas, is amazing, like I said, in his story. And you'll see other people, real people, sharing their story of how much their products have shifted and changed like their lives. And it's so beautiful. So check it out. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And I'll also share my discount code because I do have a discount code with them, and I'm very grateful to have that because I know not a lot of people can invest that much money into these products, but I do believe that when you find a product that works and investing in that and using it, that will actually make shifts and changes for you versus trying all these products and then not really having the effectiveness of the product, then it's wasting more money and time, and then you just kind of go into this cycle of not thinking that anything can change. But I do believe in this brand, this product, and what they're all about. So check out Allies of Skin. This is not sponsored. This is definitely just my own experience and how much it's really shifted me, not outwardly, but also inwardly, and just being connected with people that really pour their heart and soul into it. And definitely Allies of Skin is that. All right, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.